Have you ever tried giving or getting a massage at home only to end up with your neck cramping and feeling like you can't breathe after just a few minutes? I absolutely love getting massages, but doing them at home was always uncomfortable. Until I found this. Stay with me because I'll show you exactly why this has been such a game changer. I'd like to thank the brand for sending it to me for free. One of the biggest problems with home massages is that you're usually lying flat on a bed with your head turned to one side. After a few minutes, your neck starts hurting, you can't fully relax, and it completely takes away from the experience. This headrest solves all of that. The kit comes with everything you need: an adjustable support base, the face cradle, a soft green memory foam face cushion, 2 washable pillow covers, including a bonus pink cover, and a user manual. Setup is incredibly easy. Simply slide the support base underneath almost any mattress between 5 and 18 inches thick. Adjust the height and angle, attach the memory foam cushion, and you're ready to go. The face cradle adjusts up to 300 degrees, so it's easy to find the perfect position for almost anyone. The memory foam cushion is so comfortable because it evenly supports your face instead of creating pressure points, and I really appreciate that both covers can be removed and washed whenever needed. Even though it's lightweight at only about 3.6 pounds, it feels surprisingly sturdy once it's in place. It folds up easily for storage too, so you don't need a bulky massage table taking up space in your house. This works great for home massages, physical therapy exercises, beauty treatments, or anytime you need to comfortably lie face down on your bed. It's a wonderful option if you don't have room for a full massage table. Since using this, home massages have become so much more relaxing. I can actually breathe comfortably, my neck stays supported, and I can fully enjoy the massage instead of constantly trying to reposition myself every few minutes. If you've been looking for a comfortable and affordable way to make home massages feel so much more relaxing, I think you'll be so glad you gave this one a try.